Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant. Once again, we're going to be taking a look at the Value Charts live trading room trades of the day for Friday, April 12th, 2013. Now, we had a crazy day today in the markets. Gold sold off about $65 to $70 an ounce. The crude oil sold off about almost $4 a barrel. A lot of movement. The indices were pretty much sideways. They didn't move that much. The bonds jumped by about a point, a little over a point. So we had a lot of volatility, a lot of movement today. We had a couple signals that we generated that worked out extremely well. And the first one I'm going to talk about is a signal we had in copper. This was one of the first ones we talked about this morning. That would have had you going short on the breakout of this trend line here on this 120 or a 240-minute chart. That would have had you short right around 3.4. I mean, that ended up being a great signal and a great trade opportunity. And if you had just gone short around 3.4 with your stop just beyond the inside, now I personally would have exited a little bit sooner. And because of the fact that there was another trend line we were looking at for potential support, but it did end up selling off quite a bit. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about is one we actually talked about during the trading room as well, another signal we generated. This was in gold. So last night we sent out alerts in signal feed saying gold was getting ready to break through a very well-defined trend line on a 120-minute chart, and that if it did break through, look to go short. And that would have had you short all the way up around 1560. So gold sold off quite a bit from there. But there were many people that weren't able to get in on that trade. So we looked at it and said, okay, let's find another opportunity to go short and another potential opportunity that we could trade to get in the rest of this down move. So what we looked at, we had gold here on a 5-minute chart. And we said, all right, we're in a little bit of consolidation here. We had trend lines coming across the bottom and the top for support and resistance. And we said, watch for it to break through 1535. And if it breaks through that support at 1535, watch for it to really start to run. So if you had taken that trade that we talked about in the trading room today, that would have had you short around 1535, 1534 at the latest. And you can see it sold off all the way down to 1491. So you could have taken a little over $40 an ounce to the downside there as well. So a very good trading day so far today. We'll see what ends up happening next week in these markets. Again, an exciting way to end the week this week. That's all I have for now. Again, tonight's the second day of the Divergence Workshop. Really looking forward to that and seeing a lot of you in that. So that's all I have for today. And until next time, happy trading.